USDA new and renewed CSP contracts benefit biodiversity and bees. The U.S. Department of Agriculture has announced a renewal process for expiring Conservation Stewardship Program contracts. Agricultural and forest landowners must adopt traditional conservation activities that increase conservation of their farms, forests, and ranches. Jason Weller announced the option to renew existing contracts has been extended until March 31, 2015. He also announced the USDA will accept new general sign-up CSP applications until Friday, March 13, 2015. The deadline extensions give farmers, ranchers, and private forest managers 2 extra weeks to apply for funding to develop conservation programs. The $100 million block grant will greatly increase acreage tended and dedicated to conservation efforts across the U.S. CSP producers are established conservation leaders who work hard at enhancing natural resources on private lands, Weller said. The contracts will provide greater opportunities for conservation stewards to do even more to improve water, air, and soil quality and enhance wildlife habitat. New conservation activities covered by the bill include cover crops, intensive rotational grazing, and wildlife-friendly fencing. Recent studies by both USDA and USDA have shown that hedgerows and cover crops have far-reaching benefits for farm activities. They provide both habitat and forage for bees and other pollinators when there are no crops to pollinate. Agriculture relies on pollination, and diverse habitats help maintain thriving populations of native bees. USDA reports say flowering plants used in hedgerows attract pollinators and provide food and shelter from early spring to late fall. A diversified refuge like a hedgerow provides the elements needed to support insect populations. Although some pest insects are found in surveys, pest species are outnumbered by predatory insects. The pest insects are the food source that keeps the predator population from leaving. Resident predator populations explode when food sources increase. Organic growers count on these local populations to control pests. California supports a wide variety of bee species. Native bees' life cycles account for winter by providing food and eggs for the next generation. Some native bees nest by mining or burrowing into well-drained soil. Others nest in natural cavities like hollow plant stems, crevices, and some construct nests of flower petals. The CSP initiative may be a place to start. Weller indicated the scope of the program when he said, "We are ensuring that landowners will be able to take advantage of a program that will enroll up to 7.7 million acres this year. NRCS will renew contracts if they maintain current stewardship efforts and address 2 or more existing natural resource concerns." CSP covers more acreage than any other USDA's conservation program. It pays participants with higher payments for superior conservation performance. Nearly 70 million acres have been enrolled in the program since its launch in 2009.